a little delayed on that, but we are recording for future reference. So thank you, Heather.
Great. Thank you, Maria. Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Heather Collins, and I am here with the Aerospace Joint Apprenticeship Committee, easier to pronounce and remember us as Ajac. We have some really exciting opportunities in manufacturing for students across the entire North Central region, and I'm really excited to share them with you today. So let's jump right into it. If I can get my PowerPoint, there we go. Okay, so just a little overview of Ajac. We are a nonprofit organization, like I mentioned, that provides apprenticeship opportunities and training opportunities in manufacturing. This is just kind of a brief overview of kind of our three big programs that we offer. Today, I'm going to be telling you about the Manufacturing Academy program and the Youth Apprenticeship program that you can participate in this summer or next school year, depending on where you're located, and how you can get connected to manufacturing careers. So this year we are calling our youth apprenticeship, we're starting it off with what we call Youth Apprenticeship Ready. And the idea is to spend some time over the summer with our students across Washington State, helping you get ready for youth apprenticeship. And you might be wondering, what is youth apprenticeship? Well, youth apprenticeship is a really cool opportunity in North Central Washington. We have it available in Moses Lake at Columbia Basin Technical Skills Center. And this is where you get the opportunity to actually go to high school, learn about some manufacturing theory and take manufacturing classes. And then you also get to work during school and get paid to work and to go to school. It's a really cool opportunity. So we get started with youth apprenticeship by doing an apprenticeship ready boot camp. So you'll see that on step 1, we have a summer boot camp. Now, the really cool thing about our boot camp is that even if you're not located in Moses Lake and not able to go to CB Tech and do the youth apprenticeship, you can still join the boot camp to get some cool certifications, learn about the manufacturing industry, get some training, and we can help do some career exploration with you to see what's available in your area. And then if you are in the Moses Lake area or you're in a school district that attends CB Tech, you can move on to step 2 and 3 and join in our youth apprenticeship. So I just have a few minutes to go over this. And so I'm going to go through it pretty quickly, but I put our website at the bottom of this slide so that you can check out our website or come chat with me in my booth, and I can answer some more questions with you about what youth apprenticeship looks like. But the main thing I want to cover today is our Apprenticeship Ready Boot Camp, and that's coming up the week of June 27th through July 1st. We're going to do this virtually, so it's open to all students statewide, and this is a completely free program for you to use and gain some manufacturing skills. We are going to be giving you certifications. So your OSHA 10 certification, which is a safety certification required for industry. We'll also be doing an online first aid and CPR class. We're going to introduce you to industry and teach you some 21st century shop skills. We'll have a lot of our teachers on the call that teach throughout the school year. They're going to join us for this week and teach you some of the shop skills. There's some really cool virtual trainers and things we'll be using to kind of simulate a hands-on experience in our virtual boot camp. We'll also help you out with career exploration, like I mentioned, connecting you to employers that are in your area. And at the end of that, we'll give you a certificate of completion. So if you're interested in that, the best place to check that out is our website. I put that at the bottom, ajactraining.org/youth, and we will get you connected to that boot camp. If you are in a school district that can attend CB Tech, you'll attend for that entire week of boot camp. And then for those of you that are outside of CB Tech's area, you'll attend Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for that boot camp. So that's kind of how that schedule looks. And if you're interested at all, it's just best for you to fill out that application online or come chat with me in my booth, and I can answer any questions you have. But as long as I have your contact information, we can get you started with getting some manufacturing skills over the summer, which is a really cool opportunity. So if you're a hands-on student and you're interested in what manufacturing looks like and what manufacturing careers look like, this is a really cool opportunity to just take 3 to 5 days and get yourself into it and see if it's something that you're interested in pursuing. The second opportunity that I want to cover just very quickly is our Manufacturing Academy program. This option would best fit, I would say, seniors. So if you're a current senior and you're graduating soon, Manufacturing Academy is going to be a great fit for you, where the Youth Apprenticeship Bootcamp is open to all ages. Our Manufacturing Academy, why I say it's perfect for seniors is because it's a 10-week online program that we do covering manufacturing skills. We go into more of a deep dive with manufacturing skills here, where we're teaching precision measurement, blueprint reading, machine operation. We also do forklift safety. And the whole purpose of Manufacturing Academy is getting you ready to get an entry-level job or an apprenticeship in manufacturing. This is another training option that's no cost. The thing is that it does overlap with a school schedule. This is why it's perfect for seniors. So seniors, if you're on the call and listening, this is a great opportunity for you after graduation. If you're curious about getting an entry-level job in manufacturing and you just need some more skills to get ready and get into the door, that's what we do. We do these classes Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. So about 4 hours a day. We send you a project kit in the mail with some things you can do from home. So you solder a radio. I'm trying to think, we send you tools. So we send you a toolkit that you get to keep with like dial calipers, micrometers. We send you some things to measure. It's a really cool experience. And the cool thing about our Manufacturing Academy when you join online is that it's a live lecture. We have a teacher that teaches online, and then we also have a teacher that has a classroom in person. So it's kind of like a hybrid model. And so you're able to interact with the teacher and the students live. This isn't like a self-study thing. You get to do it live. Another no-cost program. And so the best place to get more information on the next dates upcoming is our website, which is manufacturingacademy.org. Or again, you can come visit me in my booth and I can answer any questions that you have about it. So those are really the two programs I wanted to highlight today. I also put my contact information on this last slide here, so you can reach out to me directly if you have any questions about participating in either our youth apprenticeship or Manufacturing Academy. All right, any questions?
Thank you so much, Heather. I'm checking our discussion board to see if any questions are coming in, and we don't have any there yet, but I wanted to ask you, what is maybe a fun fact, a fun piece of information, some feedback that you've heard from youth who have taken advantage of your opportunities, because they're so exciting. Every time you present this information, I just get so excited. What's some feedback that you've received?
Yeah, the best feedback we've received for our youth that do the youth apprenticeship is that they really enjoy the hands-on learning. And a lot of them just didn't realize how much they were going to love getting into a manufacturing job in high school. We have youth that when they're done with the youth apprenticeship, some of them have gone on to engineering at university and getting their degrees. We've had others climb the ladder, from within their company and move up into maintenance or machining or all of these really cool different opportunities. And a really fun fact I like to share about manufacturing. I don't think people understand the salary that's in manufacturing, but one of the fun facts is like a maintenance manager or a maintenance director typically makes a six-figure salary. So there's a lot of money in manufacturing. There's a lot of need for people with those maintenance and machining skills, which means that there's good opportunity for youth that get into it early and start building their experience early.